What is up, YouTube? Cardboard Quality is back with my last Out of Chaos Special Edition opening. So let's see if we can get something amazing. I certainly hope so. Well, that's one way to open it. Oh, is it another raw or is it Effect Veiler? It's, oh, great, awesome, Effect Veiler. Just what I wanted. Yes, this is already an awesome opening. Alright, oh, that's great. Okay, but we still have some packs here to open. We got Interplanetary Purpley Thorny Dragon, Sharktopus, Upstart Golden Ninja, Photon Leo, we got a rare Photon Lizard. Wow! Oh, let's see here. That's an ultimate rare, Evilsar Solda. Oh, cool. Wow. Awesome. That's awesome. Okay. We got a Darkman Bell, a Splash Capture, and a Deegan Force. Okay. It will be very difficult to get something better than this now. Ultimate Rand, Effect Veiler. But we will try. Photon Leo, Primordial Soup, Aqua Armor Ninja, and another Interplanetary Purpley Thorny Dragon. We got a rare Shrine of Mist Valley, a Photon Trident, Darklawn, Masked Ninja Ebisu, and a Koala. Wow, Koala Monster Fusion. Cool. Yeah. So, for the last pack of this special edition, are we going to see something awesome? Who knows? Let's see. Full Force Strike, Insector Giga Weevil, Galaxy Storm, Evo Branch, a Royal Prison, and no, a Masked Ninja Ebisu, Armor Ninja, Variable Form, and a Darkman Bell. So yeah, guys, this was definitely one of the better openings. We got this Ultimate Rare Evilsar Solda, and we got the almighty Effect Veiler. So that's awesome. Awesome. But thank you for watching my opening, guys. Don't forget to, I don't know, like, maybe subscribe. And I will be back, as always. Goodbye.